Welcome to our guide on discovering the 7 best abs workout machines to help you sculpt your core and achieve your fitness goals. Whether you're looking to strengthen your abdominals, tone your midsection, or enhance your overall fitness level, investing in the right equipment can make all the difference. In this comprehensive video, we'll explore a range of innovative and effective machines designed specifically to target your abdominal muscles. From traditional crunch machines to advanced rollers, we'll cover the features, benefits, and usage tips for each option. So whether you're a beginner just starting your fitness journey or an experienced athlete seeking to take your core workouts to the next level, you'll find valuable insights and recommendations to help you make informed decisions. Get ready to strengthen, tone, and define your abs like never before. Let's dive into the world of the 7 best abs workout machines and discover the key to achieving your dream physique. 1. Total Gym XLS Universal Workout Machine. The Total Gym XLS is a versatile home gym workout machine designed for total body training. Whether you're a man or a woman, this universal fitness equipment offers a comprehensive workout experience from the comfort of your own home. With its innovative design and wide range of exercises, the Total Gym XLS is suitable for users of all fitness levels. One of the key features of the Total Gym XLS is its squat stand, which allows you to perform squats and other lower body exercises safely and effectively. This feature is particularly beneficial for strengthening the legs, glutes, and core muscles. The Total Gym XLS utilizes your own body weight as resistance, eliminating the need for bulky weights or expensive gym equipment. This not only saves space, but also makes it easy to adjust the intensity of your workout by simply changing the angle of the glide board. With over 80 different exercises available, the Total Gym XLS offers a full-body workout that targets all major muscle groups. From chest presses and rows to leg curls and abdominal crunches, you can customize your workout to target specific areas or perform a comprehensive routine. In addition to its versatility and effectiveness, the Total Gym XLS is also compact and easy to store when not in use. 2. WonderCore Smart Sit-Up Exercise Equipment. The WonderCore Smart is a sit-up exercise equipment designed to provide a comprehensive abdominal workout from the comfort of your home. This innovative fitness device is compact, versatile, and easy to use, making it suitable for users of all fitness levels. The WonderCore Smart features a unique design that targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the upper and lower abdominals, obliques, and core muscles. With its ergonomic padded seat and adjustable resistance levels, you can customize your workout to suit your individual needs and fitness goals. The WonderCore Smart is also designed for convenience and ease of use. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to store and transport, so you can work out wherever and whenever it's convenient for you. Plus, its durable construction and sturdy frame ensure stability and safety during use. One of the key benefits of the WonderCore Smart is its versatility. In addition to traditional sit-ups, this equipment allows you to perform a wide range of exercises, including crunches, twists, and leg lifts. This variety helps prevent workout boredom and ensures that you're engaging all areas of your core for a more effective workout. With its versatility, comfort, and effectiveness, it's the perfect addition to any home gym or fitness routine. 3. Movrock Roller Wheel. The Movrock Roller Wheel is an innovative abdominal exercise tool designed to help you strengthen and tone your core muscles effectively. With its automatic rebound feature, this wheel kit offers a dynamic and challenging workout experience. The unique design of the Movrock Roller Wheel allows for smooth and controlled movement while targeting the muscles of the abdomen, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse abdominis. As you roll out and extend your body, the automatic rebound mechanism kicks in, assisting you in returning to the starting position with minimal effort. This automatic rebound feature not only enhances the effectiveness of your workout by providing constant tension on your core muscles, but also helps reduce strain on your lower back and joints. Additionally, the ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip and stability during use, allowing you to focus on proper form and technique. The Movrock roller wheel is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and transport. Whether you're at home, in the gym, or on the go, you can conveniently incorporate this wheel into your fitness routine for a challenging and rewarding workout. By adding this innovative wheel kit to your workout arsenal, you can effectively sculpt and strengthen your core muscles for improved posture, stability, and overall fitness. 4. MBB 22-in-1 Foldable Up Crunch Machine. The MBB 22-in-1 Foldable Up Crunch Machine is a versatile piece of exercise equipment designed to target and strengthen your core muscles effectively. With its foldable design and multiple functionalities, this Up Crunch machine offers a comprehensive abdominal workout in the comfort of your own home. This machine features a padded seat and backrest for comfort during workouts, as well as adjustable resistance levels to accommodate users of all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, you can customize your workout intensity to suit your individual needs and goals. With 22 different exercise functions, including various crunches, twists, and leg lifts, the MBB Up Crunch machine provides a full-body workout that targets all areas of your core, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse abdominis. This variety helps prevent workout plateaus and ensures that you're constantly challenging your muscles for maximum results. The foldable design of the MBB Up Crunch machine makes it easy to store and transport, so you can conveniently use it in any room of your home or take it with you when you're on the go. Plus, its sturdy construction and durable materials ensure long-lasting durability and stability during workouts. With its versatile functionality and ergonomic design, it's the perfect addition to any home gym or fitness routine. 5. Fitlaya Fitness Up Machine. The Fitlaya Fitness Up Machine is an innovative exercise equipment designed to help you target and strengthen your core muscles effectively. This Up Machine offers a wide range of exercises to sculpt and tone your abs, obliques, and lower back muscles. Featuring a sturdy steel frame and comfortable padded cushions, the Fitlaya Fitness Up Machine provides stability and support during your workouts. Its ergonomic design ensures proper alignment and form, minimizing the risk of strain or injury. The unique design of the Fitlaya Up Machine allows for a full range of motion, enabling you to perform a variety of exercises, including crunches, twists, leg lifts, and more. The adjustable resistance levels allow you to customize your workout intensity to match your fitness level and goals. One of the key features of the Fitlaya Up Machine is its versatility. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, this equipment offers a challenging and effective workout for users of all fitness levels. Plus, its compact size and foldable design make it easy to store and transport, so you can use it at home, in the gym, or on the go. Whether you're looking to sculpt a six-pack, strengthen your core, or improve your overall fitness level, the Fitlaya Fitness Up Machine provides a convenient and effective solution. 6. JOROTO Rowing Machine. The JOROTO rowing machine for home use is a high-quality fitness equipment designed to provide a full-body workout from the comfort of your own home. This rowing machine offers a low-impact yet highly effective cardiovascular exercise that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Featuring a durable steel frame and a smooth gliding seat, the JOROTO rowing machine ensures stability, comfort, and durability during your workout sessions. Its ergonomic design promotes proper posture and alignment, reducing the risk of strain or injury. Equipped with adjustable resistance levels, the JOROTO rowing machine allows you to customize your workout intensity to match your fitness level and goals. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rower, you can easily adjust the resistance to challenge yourself and progress over time. One of the key benefits of rowing exercise is its versatility. The JOROTO rowing machine offers a full-body workout that targets muscles in the arms, legs, back, and core. Rowing helps improve cardiovascular health, build strength, and burn calories, making it an efficient and effective way to achieve your fitness goals. With its compact size and foldable design, the JOROTO rowing machine is easy to store and transport, making it ideal for home use. 7. KiNGKANG Adjustable Weight Bench. The KiNGKANG adjustable weight bench is a versatile and durable piece of fitness equipment designed to support a variety of strength training exercises. With its adjustable design and sturdy construction, this weight bench provides a stable platform for performing a wide range of exercises to target different muscle groups. Featuring a heavy-duty steel frame and high-density foam padding, the KiNGKANG adjustable weight bench offers maximum stability and comfort during workouts. The bench can be adjusted to multiple incline and decline positions, allowing you to perform exercises such as bench presses, incline presses, decline presses, and more. One of the key features of the KiNGKANG adjustable weight bench is its versatility. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter, this bench can accommodate your fitness level and goals. The adjustable settings allow you to customize your workout intensity and target specific muscle groups with precision. In addition to its versatility, the KiNGKANG adjustable weight bench is also compact and easy to store. Its foldable design makes it convenient to tuck away in a corner or closet when not in use, saving space in your home gym or workout area. Whether you're looking to build strength, increase muscle mass, or improve your overall fitness level, the KiNGKANG adjustable weight bench offers a convenient and effective solution. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the 7 best abs workout machines. We hope you found valuable information and inspiration to take your core workouts to the next level. Remember, consistency and dedication are key to achieving your fitness goals. Whether you choose a traditional crunch machine, an innovative roller, or any other option from our list, make sure to incorporate regular workouts into your routine for optimal results. Stay tuned for more informative content on fitness, health, and wellness. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and exclusive content.